With Bitcoin ready to hit new all-time highs, potentially even this week, it is bounced off the moving averages and it is rising beautifully right now. I'm going to talk about some of the ways that you can leverage trade, very easily leverage trade Bitcoin here in 2025. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay Bro. Now, here are the list of 11 best crypto leverage trading platforms in 2025. Now, I'm not going to focus on all of these. I am going to cover the first one here, coin futures, in some detail so that you guys can see just how easy it is to make these trades. But you've got coin futures, PrimeBit, Margex, Mexi, Blowfin, OKX, Binance, Bybit, KuCoin, Femex, Polynex. You've got all of these options. But look at that first one there. 1,000x leverage. Now, if you scroll on down, you're going to be able to see how Coin Futures has gamified crypto futures trading with zero KYC. Now, it is a game that you're going to be playing, but it's a game that you can play on 1,000x leverage. I mean, that's absolutely incredible. There's a lot of money, real USDT, to be made here. So I'll let you guys check this article out for yourself. You can simply type the name in Google, go read all of the details. But looking at some of the pros and cons of the Coin Futures platform, you've got gamified trading experience with a simple, intuitive interface, up to 1,000x leverage on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, Litecoin, and TRX. No KYC wallet or exchange account is required. Real USDT payouts from simulated futures trades, please understand that, and a leaderboard with profit and loss and ROI rankings and risk management. There's only a limited number of crypto assets supported, so you can't go out there and trade everything. It is not a traditional exchange or a real contract trading experience, and it may feel too simplistic for advanced futures traders. So looking at that, I'm going to show you what the platform looks like in a second here and just how easy it is to open up these trades. But this is the Coin Futures website. You get a link for this down in the description below. You're going to be able to go to this website and download. If you click register now, it's going to bring you up to this page right here. Now, you can, of course, put your name, email, all that in, or you can play anonymously. Download and play. Now, I have downloaded the application here on the desktop, and I want to show you what it looks like. So once you click that download, install their little widget, just like you're downloading any other program. This is what it's going to bring up right here. Now, this is Bitcoin that you guys see on the screen, and you're going to be able to change it to any of these cryptocurrencies that you would like. You've got Bitcoin, Litecoin, XRP, Ethereum, Tron, Dogecoin, Solana, Cardano, Chainlink, Avalanche, and BNB. All of these very volatile, but of course, if volatility is what you're looking for, you could go out and you could trade something like Litecoin today, which is up 8.22%. Now, guys, all of a sudden, if you see an 8.22% gain on a 1,000x leverage play, it is going to be absolutely insane. But let's just stick with Bitcoin for simplicity purposes right here. And then on the right-hand side of the screen, you're going to be able to see your price up or your price down. Now, obviously, if you think Bitcoin is going to be going up, you're going to click up. If you think Bitcoin is going to be going down, you're going to click down. The wager. Now, you can move this around however you would like. Use that there, move it higher, $10, $11, $20, whatever you would like. And then the multiplier. Am I in the way? No, I'm not in the way just yet. You know what? Let me move myself just so you guys can see this slightly better here. I'm going to move myself to the top of the page. Not that. I'm going to move myself to the top of the page. And every time I do it, it wants to move for some reason. Okay, I can't move myself. It's not letting me move myself for some reason. Don't know why. Anyway, the only thing that I'm covering up is, maybe I can make myself a little smaller so that you guys can see the button. No, it literally won't let me click it. So, anyway, the button that you're missing behind there, it says place bet, right? That's all that it says. It says place bet either in red, or if you're going up, place bet in green, meaning that you believe the price is going to go higher. You can change the multiplier. Would you like to trade on 1x leverage, 10x leverage, 100x leverage? You can slide this here to move it around all the way up to 1,000x leverage. Now, this is the important part, right? Bust price. This shows you what price must stay above before you bust. Now, clearly, if you're on 1,000x leverage and the price of Bitcoin comes back down to test $114,960, $950, your trade is going to bust. Clearly, if the price of Bitcoin goes up, you're going to be earning at a 1000x leverage rate. The lower the risk, the better your bust price. The higher the risk, the higher your bust price. So guys, once you figure all of that out, right? If you're going to go in and place a $10 wager and Bitcoin moves up 1%, you guys are walking away with, what is that, 10 cents? So, understand all of the math behind it. And then when you're simply ready, you're going to click place bet. Now, I don't have anything deposited at this point in time, just to show you guys what the platform looks like. But if I do make a couple deposits here, we can go in, see exactly what this game looks like when it's actually played, and how quick and how easy it is to go out there and earn trading, or let's call it gaming, with Bitcoin on up to 1000x leverage. So if you guys are interested in placing some leverage trades, let me know down in the comments below. If we get enough interest in it, maybe I'll make some deposits here. Maybe I'll play this game and show you guys just what it looks like in real time as we earn gaming with Bitcoin. Let me know what you guys think about it. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.